Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select the circle. Click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 12 millimeters of diameter. And create another one here with 8.8 millimeters of diameter. And another one here in the same center of the circle with 16 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical. Click here in this point and this point here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two circles here is 30 millimeters. Okay. Now select a line, a construction line. Make a construction line here between these two circles. Remove the construction line type. Make a line here. Select the arc. 3-point arc. Make an arc here. And select a line. Make a line here between this point and this circle. Go to constraint, tangent. This line must be tangent with the circle, okay? And this arc must be tangent with this line. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line here and this line, sorry, the angle between these two lines here is 10 degrees. Okay. And the distance between the center of this point and the center of this circle here is 11.8 millimeters. Okay. And the radius here is 1.25 millimeters. Okay, we have this. We can go to trim and cut this. And cut here. And cut here. No, sorry. That's okay. Now select the line. Let me drag the dimension here. Select the line, make a sketch like this, then we will put the dimensions here, okay, tangent here. And here is tangent. Go to fillet. Make a fillet here with 6.25 millimeters. Okay. And a fillet here in this side with 6.25 millimeters too. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two fillet here is 28.5 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between the center of this radius and this circle here is 14.25 millimeters. Okay. Now it's tangent. This line must be tangent with the circle and tangent with this. And here it is tangent. Go to constraint, select horizontal, make this horizontal. Okay, go to fillet, make a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance of this line here is 6.8 millimeters. Let's drag this here. This. We can delete this line here, make one line here. Okay. Go to fillet, make a fillet here with 80 millimeters of radius. Okay. And go to constraint, select tangent, make this line tangent with the circle. It's tangent yet. And now go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line here and this line here is 60 degrees. Press OK. And the distance between this point here and this line, the distance here is 12.5 millimeters. Okay. and go to schedule dimension. The angle between this line here and this line is 100 millimeters, 100 degrees, sorry. And press OK. We have this, okay. And then go here, 100. This radius. We have this sketch, okay. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Okay. Extrude this 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters, direction, one direction, operation new body, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point. Click here in this edge here, make an arc here. No, sorry. Go to create arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here, okay. Select a line, make a line here between this point and this edge. Make this line tangent with the arc, okay. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 30 millimeters. Go to constraint, select coincident, click here in this point here, in this midpoint, okay. And go to sketch dimension again. The angle between this line here and this edge is 22.5 millimeters degrees, sorry. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. We will make a cut here with -3 millimeters, okay. Direction one side, operation cut, and the distance -3 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create and select this face here. Go to create here and select slot, center point slot. Make the center in this edge, okay. Make a slot to this midpoint here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 9.25 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this edge is 50 degrees. Press OK, finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here. We'll make a cut here, -3 millimeters, operation cut, and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to hole, select this face here, and make this, click in this edge here. I'll drag this to the center of this radius, okay. Okay, the extend the distance, the hole type, counter body. The hole tape type, simple and flat here. The radius here, 10 millimeters. This distance, 1 millimeters. And this diameter, 4 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now create another run in this side here. It's the same dimensions, okay. Press OK. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 3 millimeters, and press OK. We have this, okay. Okay. Now go to fillet, select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeters. Go to add selection set, select this edge here and select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. And add selection set, select this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to modify, select the chamfer. Select this edge here, this edge in the other side, this edge here, and select this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters. Okay, press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.